Welcome to my channel. Linksys E5600 Mesh Setup. 1. Unbox and connect. Unbox your Linksys E5600 and plug it into a power outlet. Connect it to your modem using an Ethernet cable. Use the Internet port on the E5600. 2. Power on the router. Turn on the router and wait until the indicator light becomes stable, showing that the router is powered up and ready. 3. Connect to the router's Wi-Fi. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, open Wi-Fi settings and connect to the default network name, SSID, of the E5600, usually printed on a sticker on the device. 4. Open a web browser. On the connected device, open a web browser and type 192.168.1.1 or http://myrouter.local into the address bar. Press Enter to access the setup page. 5. Start the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to start the router setup. The setup wizard will guide you through the initial configuration steps. Six. Set up an admin password. Choose a new admin password for your router. This password is used to access the router's settings in the future. 7. Configure Wi-Fi settings. Set up your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password. Choose whether you want to keep the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands under a single SSID or separate them. 8. Check for firmware updates. Allow the setup process to check for and install any available firmware updates. This step ensures the router has the latest features and security patches. 9. Test your network. Once the setup is complete, move to different areas of your home to check the Wi-Fi signal strength and coverage. Thank you for watching.